Hey there, car fans! Welcome back to USA Car Lovers, your go-to garage for the latest and greatest rides hitting American roads. And today, we've got something big. Introducing the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR SPORT, the boldest, sportiest, and most electrified RAV4 yet. This isn't just a redesign, it's a reinvention. For 8 years straight, the RAV4 has been America's best-selling SUV, and the 6th generation is here to keep that crown. But there's a twist. The 2026 model is 100% electrified. That means every version is either a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid, PHEV. No more gas-only models. But don't worry, this isn't a full EV. With options like Toyota's proven self-charging hybrid or the high-performance plug-in hybrid, you're getting all the benefits of electric power with the flexibility of gas for those long road trips. Let's talk about the GR Sport trim, the one making serious waves. This beast comes exclusively as a plug-in hybrid and pumps out a jaw-dropping 320 horsepower, making it the most powerful RAV4 ever built. It's quick, it's responsive, it's fun, period. Oh, and you're getting an estimated 50 miles of all-electric driving range, enough for most daily commutes without using a drop of gas. For 2026, Toyota gives you 7 trim levels to choose from. Lee, X-Lee, C, XSE, Limited, the new Woodland Edition, and the star of the show, the GR Sport. And now even front-wheel drive is available on hybrid models, a first for the RAV4 lineup, offering better fuel efficiency than ever before. Need to tow? You're covered. AWD models pull up to 3,500 lbs, while FWD versions can handle 1,150 lbs. The 2026 RAV4 features Toyota's 5th-gen hybrid system paired with a 2.5L 4-cylinder engine. On the GR Sport, that combo delivers 320 HP. Plus, it supports DC fast charging, juicing up from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. And that gets you 50 miles of pure EV driving. GR stands for GAZOO Racing, Toyota's global performance division, and it shows bigger gloss black grille, GR badging front and back, sport-tuned suspension, sleek LED headlights, gloss black accents everywhere, two-tone paint with a black roof, 20-inch wheels with GR brake calipers, and check out that unique rear wing, a first for the RAV4 lineup. Sharp, sporty, and downright aggressive. Slide inside and you're greeted by premium GR Sport seats with suede inserts, red stitching, and GR logos, aluminum sport pedals, a new 12.3-inch digital driver display, and a massive 12.9-inch touchscreen, the biggest ever in a RAV4, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, all standard, digital HVAC, wireless charging, and EV mode controls. Multiple drive modes including trail, snow, sport, and normal paddle shifters for when you want more control. Roomy second row with USB-C ports, rear vents, and fold-flat seats. Cargo capacity? Still big and practical. Exactly what RAV4 fans expect. The model featured here rocks a stunning ruby flare pearl finish with contrasting black touches. Eye-catching? Absolutely. Official pricing hasn't been released yet, but here's our estimate. Hybrid starting in the low 30,000s, GR Sport plug-in hybrid landing around the mid-40,000s. Expect it to hit dealerships across the USA in late 2025. If you've been waiting for a RAV4 that delivers performance, style, and serious tech, this is the one. The 2026 RAV4 GR Sport blends electrification with excitement like never before. What do you think about this electrified RAV4 revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe to USA Car Lovers, and ring that bell so you never miss a new ride review from across America. Until next time, keep it rolling and keep it electric. USA Car Lovers, where the future of driving meets American roads.